Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement pre-owned informational series video. Check the title above for pricing information, and also if this tractor is still for sale. We'll go from for sale to sold when it's sold at the beginning of the title. Also, down in the description below it, we'll have more specs and detail and pricing information there too for you. But today we're here with a 2012 Massey Ferguson 2680 in the HD series. This was a heavy-duty, large chassis utility tractor. This tractor features 97 engine horsepower and 83 on the PTO. We'll jump in here and talk a little bit about the engine. This features a 4.4 liter Perkins 4-cylinder diesel. You can see the engine oil filter, the dipstick down here, the fuel filters, the engine fill, injection pump. This has a metal hood. We're going to slip over here to the left hand side, or the right hand side, excuse me. Got an easy automotive pop-up style hood like our modern tractors do. Up here in front you can see the air cleaner, the battery. Easy to get to the condensers and radiator to keep them nice and clean. The efficiency of your air conditioner is all about keeping that condenser clean. This is the right hand side of the engine with the alternator. You can see the turbocharger up there, wastegate turbo. There's your air cleaner hose. We'll slide on to the back here before we do our tractor walk around. We'll talk about the 83 PTO horsepower. This is a 540 machine. Got flip up gate there to the PTO shaft. Got top link draft sensing. 3 sets of remote valves on this tractor. That's your washer tank. Telescopic link ends. Pull those up, these slide out. Category 2 hitch balls. Top link does come with it. These are poly fenders on these. Got 2 rear work lights. The back glass opens there. Got your warning lights and turn signals. Got mirrors on both sides. This is fitted with the DL280 logo. Got metal hood, couple little paint spotches up there. Got your center line guide, got a grill guard, front hitch point. This features the Sioux quick attach system. This loader was made by Sioux Sweep Brake Company up in Sioux City, Iowa. Features their own style of quick attach, but we have a Bale spear that matches up with this quick system. This is not Euro quick attach. He's welded a bucket hook on there. Got a big bucket there, hasn't been used a whole lot. Great looking Bale spear. Just a good overall nice low hour utility tractor. This thing's only got 1,680 hours. Got quick detach loader stands here. Lower it down, you can take the loader off real simple and easily by pulling these pins right here. Unplugging your hoses and you can take it off and you just have the mid mount. Got toolbox on the right hand side. This does only have one door. Featuring 14.924 Titan front tires. That's the front right. Got 18.434 rears. They are in very good condition still. Got adjustable rims. Got your wheel center and your rim the waffle wheel design on the front and the back there, so you can adjust your rims to the spacing that you need. The 3-point hitch lift capacity on this tractor is 3,682 pounds at 24 inches behind the hitch point, not at the ball, but 2 foot behind. Got a lot of lifting capacity for a tractor this size. Big beefy rear end and axle back there. These tractors were made in Canois, Brazil, in the Massey Ferguson factory down there. They have built the 400, 500 series. They're actually building some of the new 4700 Global series are coming out of that factory. It's got combined flow hydraulics. You got 7 gallon per minute to the hydraulics with a 10 gallon per minute, or 7 gallons to the 3-point, 10 gallon per minute hydraulic pump, and you can combine that for 17 gallons per minute for faster flows. Got the ground level fueling here. There's the front right left tire and the back tire. You can see it's got a lot of tread. Paint's in really good shape. Got dual mirrors, got 2 front work lights. Just a very nice clean local trade-in. We sold this thing new. They just upgraded to one of the new 6700 series Global series tractors. Got a little storage pouch there. This is your PTO engagement lever. That's your power front lever, parking brake, manual seat, slide adjustment, your suspension adjustment. That black lever right there is your combining valve. That's how you can combine the flow. The side windows are fixed, and so is this right door and the front windshield, but the back glass does open up. Got your opening for your power cables there. Easy to close. Your 3-point controls, your raise and lower on the 3-point and draft sensitivity. Hand throttle, 3 sets of remote valves. Very simple, straightforward tractor design. Got a manual shuttle. Got to push the clutch into shuttle, forward, neutral, reverse. Your dash. Simple, easy to operate. Turn signals, lights, hazard lights. Joystick control here. And you've got an 8 forward by 4 reverse transmission. You got a high range and low range with 1, 2, 3, 4. Come over here and you shift it. Pretty simple. Got dual brakes, got diff lock down there, foot pedal, starter up here. Got air conditioning, your light, field lights, your front wiper, rear wiper back there. Got a little light here, recirc, radio, crank up some tunes, turn on 97.9 and hear the tractor dude. Got our loader valve here. That's our normal loader. One of the features of this tractor is it's got combined flow hydraulics. If you look in the operator's manual, which we've got the one for this tractor here, it has the combined flow setup. This is on page 526. Never set the position lever to constant pumping before shifting the valve. I'm going to show you how that operates. First thing we're going to do is show you, this is the loader with normal regular hydraulics. What combined flow does is it combines the flow of the 3-point hitch pump with the hydraulic remote pump. First you'll need to set this lever to the B position. Then you're going to see constant pump mode. Only use this in the combined flow. So you have to push that back into constant pumping mode. And then you see when we raise the loader, it's going to go a lot faster. Raises faster, so you can get more work done when you're not needing a 3-point hitch. When you're done, shift it out of the constant pumping mode and then shift this lever back. Got your loader flow there, you got tilt and dump. 1500 RPMs. Big beefy loader here. And a lot of work for you. Do both functions at one time. See the hours up here, 1608. That's your dash display there. Hazard lights. Warning lights, there's lights there. See, we can do both functions at one time. We'll put her in gear here. Got her low range, first gear. Put it in reverse. Take off the parking brake. And we're going slow. To change it, you have to push clutch and shift it. That's first gear. Synchronized gears over here. So there's second, third, and fourth in high range. Got a lot of volume in this cab. Spacious cab. I mean, you can get your arms out here to both sides. Got your remote valves right over here, your throttle, hand throttle there. You want to reverse, clutch it, shift it. Pretty simple to operate. It's a nice basic tractor. Want to go to high range, move it over there. Now we're going first gear high. Second gear. Third gear. And fourth gear. Go back to reverse if you want to. You can go forward there. Lift the loader there. Turn the wheel. Got a pretty good turning radius here for a heavyweight utility tractor. Jump down here. We'll jump out here, check out the lights and everything. Come check it out at Vahrenberg Implement. We're going to fire up the camera and fire up the tripod and show you the PTO, 3-point hitch arms, all that stuff. Put the parking brake on. We'll just take a look, walk around while we got her running and show you the lights and everything. Got your hazards, your work lights. Got your inside low beams, high beams will come on. Got your hazards there, your red light, work lights. All the lights seem to be working. Come check out this 2680HD. It's a 2012 model with only 1,680 hours. Got a lot of chassis weight built in. It's not no wimpy lightweight utility tractor. It's available at Vahrenberg Implement. Spear bucket loader tractor. 97 engine horsepower, 83 Pto horsepower to help you get your work done. Be a great loader tractor, taking care of the hay, baling hay, put it to work for you on your farm. If you're in West Central Missouri, there's only one place to come. That's Vahrenberg Implement, right here at Business 13 and Highway 13 in Higginsville, Missouri. We're the home of great deals and knowledge to help you get the most out of your hard-earned dollars. Whether it's a new Massey tractor, hay tools, or pre-owned equipment, we're here to serve your needs and take care of your needs. Shop us at Vahrenberg Implement. You'll be happy that you did if you're in West Central Missouri. If you're outside of West Central Missouri, man, go please visit your local Massey dealer. We can sell used equipment outside of our trade area, but new tractors, new equipment, you need to take care of it at your local dealer. And Vahrenberg Implement is the place to shop in West Central Missouri.